You don't know how to decide whether to turn left, to turn right, to grab your favorite chocolate, or to choose the new one with the beautiful package. And then there are your holidays. Where to go? Or should you maybe stay here and change your job first to be more satisfied? And uncertainty creates a whole bunch of so many options and possibilities. How should you decide? One question is coming after the other. So today, stop here. We want to make it in a different way. Imagine you are a crow or a raven and you are hungry. 'Cause you're really clever, raven or crow. You don't stumble on the ground. You start directly to spread your wings. You fly on a tree. It's a high one, so you can look around in peace. You create a wonderful overview for yourself. You observe, and then, when you are ready, you consciously fly toward your goal.